Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Monday, December 21st, 2009. This morning I'd like to go through a small enhancement to the development tool set that's kind of interesting and kind of productive, I think. To give you an idea what I'm talking about, we'll open a browser and I'll just pick a package at random. Let's say that I was looking at the external web browsing stuff, which will launch an external browser for you, and I wanted to put a breakpoint here to see how this was working. So I insert breakpoint. And you notice that the way I get a breakpoint here is just this red underline. So it's visible, but it's not that visible. You notice the nicer graphics here behind these, this hand, and then a one-shot gives you this hand with a 1 on it. Now, what if I wanted those graphics instead of that little underline? Well, it turns out you can get that. What I need to do is go to the Parcel Manager. And once I have that, I need to go to Browser Extensions. I pick ExtraEmphasis here. Now, it looks like it just gives you this additional text capability, superscript, subscript, that kind of thing, but it gives you a little more than that. Let's go and load this. Now once it's in, let's do this. We'll open a browser and we'll pick that same package. We'll go here to this method. We'll put the cursor here and we'll say insert a breakpoint. Notice we now get this little hand. If I remove that probe and say I want to put a one-shot breakpoint in, you're going to get the little hand with the 1 on it. So you notice that this is nicer all by itself right away, but it gives you a couple of extra capabilities as well. So let's open a new browser and we'll select ExtraEmphasis, and down here you see this text. Let's just go ahead and highlight this and do an inspect, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you bring up the inspector on this, notice it gives you superscripts. There's also code to give you subscripts, but it's all kind of a piece. So bringing in ExtraEmphasis gives you a couple of things. It gives you the ability to do this kind of notation, and more importantly, I think from a day-to-day standpoint, it gives you the ability to put in nicer graphics when you put in breakpoints for your debugger. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.